good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So please stand up. So let's bow our head and pray. So Lord, guide us with your wisdom, comfort us with your grace, and fill us with your peace. Amen. So class, please be seated. So before we proceed to our new topic, can someone tell me what is the topic last meeting? Yes, Miss Pendo.
So our last meeting, ma'am, is all about a method of planting cut flowers, method of propagation of cut flowers.
So, before we proceed to our new discussion or new topic, I prepare here an activity. So, this activity called a scrambled word. So, who can answer this scrambled letter? So, please, Miss Ignacio, can you tell me what is the first scrambled letter? Okay, that's right. Miss Pendo?
Planting media,
And third?
solarization,
And fourth, Miss Tapos de Santos?
chemical.
Okay, Kanika. So, based on our activity, what do you think will be a new topic? Do you have some ideas?
None, ma'am.
None? So,
Ma'am.
yes, Miss Pendo?
So about sterilization of soil and other media before planting, it is common. Yan.
So, our new topic is about sterilization of soil and other media before planting. So, but before that, do you have some idea what is planting media? No? So, class, planting media, it refers to the any materials that can improve the soil health. So, it provides, other than the soil, so it provides a necessary physical support, aeration, water retention, and nutrient supply for the plants to thrive or grow. So, sterilization of soil and planting media is crucial for eliminating weeds, pathogen, and pests for the plants that can be harmful for our plants. So, this So this practice is important, especially in seeding, cutting, and valuable plants. So we have here the method of sterilization. So our first method is heat sterilization. So Miss Pendo, can you read?
So heat sterilization. This involves heating the soil or media to a temperature high enough to kill most microorganisms.
So these are the example pictures of the heating sterilization. So as you can see, this steam will penetrate the soil, so the temperature it will raise, so it can kill many pathogens. So we have here the application tips for using the heat sterilization. So ensure that the soil is evenly heated to the required temperature for a sufficient time to ensure complete sterilization, and also overheating can damage the soil structure. So next we have the other method, which is the chemical sterilization. So Miss Calba, can you read?
Chemical sterilization. This involves using chemical agents to kill microorganisms. Common chemicals include methyl, bromide, formaldehyde, and chlorine-based solutions.
So these are the pictures of methyl bromide, but now it's largely restricted due to the environment concerns. So also we have here the example pictures, the formaldehyde and chlorine-based solution. So these are the example pictures of using a chemical sterilization. So treating soil with a diluted solution or a chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach, it can kill many pathogens, pests, but also it can be harmful, especially to the soil organism. So also we have the application tips. So use a chemical cautiously, following instructions carefully, and allow sufficient time for the chemicals to dissipate before planting to avoid harming plants. Also, we need to wear a PPE PPE rather, so that we can avoid the chemical that we can get for the chlorine solutions. So next we have next method we have is the Solarization. So, Miss Ignacia, can you read?
Sterilization. This is environmentally friendly method that uses the sun, heat, and sterilize soil. The soil is covered with clear plastic sheeting, trapping solar radiation and
And raising the soil.
raising the soil temperature.
So these are the example pictures of the covering flat of soil with a clear plastic during the part of the hottest summer. So the trap heat, it can kill many weeds and pathogens. So it is good method that we can use for killing the pathogens weeds. So we have here the application tips. So this method is most effective in a hot, sunny climate. So the plastic must be tightly sealed so that it will not lose the the application tip. So this method is most effective in hot, sunny climate. So the plastic must be tightly sealed so that to prevent the heat loss. So in the duration of the solarization depends on the climate and the type of soil. So we have lastly the pasteurization. So Miss Pendo, can you read?
So, this involves heating the soil to a lower temperature than sterilization, killing many but not all pathogens.
So these are the example pictures of the pasteurization. So as you can see, these are the microwave heating. So using the pasteurization, it is a less harsh than full solarization. So the application tips of the pasteurization. So this is a good option for less sensitive plants or when preserving some beneficial soil life is desired. Carefully monitoring of temperature is crucial. So that's all. Thank you.